This video shows how to replace the waste toner container for the Xerox C325 color multifunction printer. Open door A and door B. To remove the right side cover, release the latches and pull the cover off the printer. To remove the waste toner container, release the latches and pull the container straight out of the printer. Insert the new waste toner container straight into the printer until it clicks. Insert the right side cover and push it towards the printer until it clicks. Close doors A and B.